Introducing the ultimate tribute to one of the greatest athletes in tennis history, the Novak Djokovic year-end #1 yearbook collection. This limited edition series of books showcases the journey of the Serbian tennis star's incredible career, capturing his unparalleled rise to the top of the ATP rankings and his record-breaking 7 year-end world #1 titles. Each book is a collector's item, featuring stunning high-resolution colour photographs, detailed match statistics, and inspiring quotes from Djokovic himself. From his spectacular rise in 2011 to his near-calendar Grand Slam in 2021, this exclusive collection provides an in-depth look at some of Djokovic's greatest moments. Produced in partnership with the Novak Djokovic Foundation and limited to just 1,000 copies, this yearbook collection is a must-have for any tennis fan or sports historian. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of tennis history with the Novak Djokovic year-end #1 yearbook collection.